All right, we are now streaming live on YouTube. Today is November the 11th, 2025. I'm Judge Case Johnson. When I call your case, please make your announcements. Jerry Barnes,
The state is ready on that.
Defense is ready.
Rico Bishop,
I believe that's closed. There's a CR number if you'd like it.
please.
Yes, 2025 CR 09816.
09816. All right, thank you. Cedric Bullock,
I don't, oh, I'm sorry. Okay. That is also, that's been transferred. Um, the CR number for that is 25. Oh, actually, I'm sorry. It's in an SG format, but it's been transferred.
Hilda Callahan,
That's also been closed. The CR number is 25 CR 09820.
that's been accused.
Yes,
Mhm. And what about Aditya Chauhan? Aditya?
I believe that's been closed as well and accused 25 CR 09825.
Joshua Curry?
That's also been transferred. 25 CR 09787.
Sergio Garcia?
That's been transferred. It's 25 CR 09823.
0983. Okay. Gregory Gillis?
I believe that's been transferred to Superior Court, Your Honor.
Right. Yate, can you verify that Gregory Gillis cases or can some, you're saying, because you said I believe, you sure?
Yes. Yes, I can also take a look in CPU 8 just to be absolutely sure, but I have a note here saying that it's been transferred or um it's in transit.
On CPUA, it says state court, but um, I don't know if that changed. Well, bound over to state court, but I don't know if it changed to Superior. But it says closed.
I have this is for the theft by shoplifting. I have received by Superior Court.
Did you say something? I fell off the Zoom call.
I'm looking at CPUA and I see that it has RSP, which is received by Superior Court.
Okay. What about Brandon Haley?
Your Honor, we're actually not going forward with that case.
And what did you dismissing it?
Well, I can't dismiss it because it hasn't been bound over, but I think
Okay.
the court can submit something that says we're not going, that no probable cause is found.
All righty. Perez Hernandez.
That is also closed. 25 CR 09808
I'm sorry, 2025 CR. Say that one more time.
09808.
Thomas Johns.
I believe he's out to bond. Double check that.
Yeah, okay. Can you try to check and see if Mr. Johns is out to bond as well? Whoever can navigate the fastest.
Yes, Your Honor.
Johns.
Looks like he froze. Your Honor, we have a chat stating that some officers are waiting to be let in.
Oh, okay. Let's see.
Actually, Your Honor, you know what? We're ready for that. We're ready for John's.
Defense is ready.
Oh, okay. So why doesn't it show me? It's not showing me my breakout. I mean, my
Because it switched Gabrielle Burnett to the host when I guess when you fell off.
Oh,
So I believe Gabrielle Burnett needs to make you the host again.
no, it doesn't give me. All right, so Ms. Burnett, can you make me the host?
Yes, ma'am. I'll try and figure out how to do it.
Oh my goodness. Just click on those three little dots on my
In the
name.
top right hand corner in your it's in your box.
See it?
It's showing on my Zoom that you're the host. Um,
Okay, now it's coming through. All righty. All right, so you guys announced ready on John's. What about Dashley Johnson?
The state's not going forward with that.
Reginald Johnson?
The state's ready for that.
And defense is ready.
So on these criminal trespass, Attorney Lang, have we spoken with them and made sure there's no issues?
Yes, correct, Your Honor. With Reginald, it seemed like there was maybe like some some indication of a little bit of mental health issue, but nothing to the level of incompetency. And I think they're also wanting to push forward for these folks to get their due process and hearing unless they're just completely, where it's just completely obvious that they can't go forward. But based on the notes, I didn't meet
Okay.
with him, but the attorney that did meet with him, that's what they were saying, that there was possibly a little bit or a hint of maybe some mental health issues, but he was competent.
All right. As long as you feel like he can understand what's going on. All right, Maurice Kelly,
The state's ready on that.
And the defense is ready.
Michelle McCommons,
I believe the state is ready on that. One second.
were y'all able to talk about any cases at all?
As I'm about to say, Judge, I've pretty much everyone that we've got on here, the defense, I'd sent an email over offering a waiver in exchange for an unsecured judicial release. We'd certainly be open to.
Did you approve any of those, Ms. Bean?
Um, I think something was, I actually looked for it yesterday. I think there was, and I just saw it this morning. So I think there was something going on with my email. So I apologize for that. So we can conference briefly. Also on McCommons, we're not going forward on that.
And Judge, on these dismissals, if I understand correctly, is the court just going to issue an order dismissing it?
Looked like she froze again.
Y'all lost me again. I keep going out. Let's hurry up and get through this. Travis Miller,
I believe that was transferred to state court already.
what's that? He just had the SG number.
Yes, it's only been received. Hasn't been accused.
Mosley,
State's ready on that.
And Judge, that's one we need to be appointed on, and I need to meet with him briefly to decide but what he wants to do. But if he wants to go forward, the defense would be ready.
wait a minute. Giving inmate gun, that's not a
That-
misdemeanor, is it?
Actually, no, you're right. I have a note here that it's a felony.
Yes.
That's
Meaning-
45-5-18, I believe.
So this needs to be placed on the misdemeanor, on the felony
Felony
calendar.
calendar, yes.
I will continue it to November 3rd. I'm sorry, December 3rd.
I guess, Judge, my understanding, looking at the statute, if he's in serving time on a misdemeanor and he's caught with the cell phone in the jail, then this charge would be a misdemeanor. But I don't know what he's currently in
What
on.
statute is that?
It's the Georgia Code 42-5-18 subsection C.
The charge here, though, is giving an inmate a gun, drugs, or alcohol.
Yeah, I think for some reason the cell phone's lumped in there with all
To
that
there,
too,
yeah. Mhm.
which I was surprised to see, but
Mm.
The report does say that there was, the report only mentions a cell phone. I don't know, maybe we can talk to the officer, like conference with the officer really fast and get some more clarification.
Mm,
Are you frozen again?
okay, there we go. Let's see. What did he say? Have in his possession a cell phone inside of his shoe, inside of the infirmary, Dayton County Jail. Conducting a brief interview was us that he admitted that the device was his. So let's hold on this. I want to research this one. Kenneth Royal. Kenneth Royal. Oh,
Uh, that has been bound over.
Yeah.
There's just an SG number for that.
Vergara Sanchez.
Also transferred to state court. No, it has not been accused yet.
But it's been transferred.
Yes, it's been transferred.
DeAndre Wilson.
He's ready on that.
And defense is ready as well, and also would request to be heard on bond.
Okay. Mm, Joshua Zaliki.
The state is ready on that, or at least we're expected to have him come. I'll have to double check whether the officer is here. I just have a note that he might not be on just yet, but we do expect to be ready.
All right.
Defense
So
is ready.
are there any officers we can release?
Um,
And so deputy,
Yes, ma'am.
we can, you can, if you have them, you can send back position
One
number
moment,
2.
Your Honor. You have, there's someone you didn't call, which was Ilario Brasino.
It said
ALI.
accused. I thought she said accused. Did you say that
That
was,
was on Bullock.
what's the announcements on Illyrio?
that has been accused. BRICENO, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's 2025 CR 09783.
Yes, okay. That's what I had. Okay.
Okay,
And
my
so,
apologies.
hold
Hey,
on.
Judge, I got